Wow. This is definitely one of the strongest rain we've had in years, and I think it's pretty magical how our property looks with the rain falling. And let me get some shoes to show you something. I want to show you how this property has these little water rivers. I'm not sure what to call them, but basically there's like a little river where the gutter takes the water and the water drains through this water river, and I love it. It's actually pretty cool, and whoever designed this property did a really good job, because I don't know if you can see the water flow right there. It has like natural water flows. Okay, I guess I'm walking to it so you guys can see. Let me show you guys. Oh my god, it's raining.
Wow, look at this.
Yeah, that's so cool. They did a good job doing the draining for the property.
Yeah, look at it's backed up over there.
Oh no.
Probably like leaves and shit.
Yeah. But that goes all the way down.
Yeah.
That way. You know what I always wanted to do?
Well,
I wanted to get a little boat and make it go down. Last year when it rained, I was like, let me put a little, oh sorry. And it goes all the way down there. Sorry. And it goes down there into the street. Let's go look over here. Hold on. Well, the fountain's filled now. Wow, it's raining so much that the gutters are overflowing before it can make it down the drain. I hope my bees are okay. Anyways, just want to show you guys how it's raining down here in Southern California. I know you guys might get rain like this all the time, but here in Southern California, this is not that common, so it's pretty magical to see. And so long as you have good draining, you don't have the chances of flooding. Unfortunately, actually, I shouldn't laugh, because there is a lot of people in Sacramento who are struggling with that, and it's pretty sad. Hopefully that doesn't happen here in Southern California, or even in specific properties that I know are flood zones. We're fortunate that the people who lived here before did good draining. Kind of like the little river we have going over there. We have this little river going to the front, and we have one that goes all the way from the back that comes here. It connects right there, and it goes down a little drain we have going there. So we are okay here, and we get to enjoy this beautiful rain. Well, I hope you guys are having a blessed day and you guys enjoy this beautiful rain, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.